and tell them who you'd like
Dad,
to date.
I don't think.
Look in the camera.
I don't think that they can see the quiz. Let's make sure that they can. Okay.
They can't. Stop. Just say it.
But I don't
Molly,
know.
leave them alone.
I don't know.
Okay, well you got Sakura,
No.
Hinata,
No.
Ino,
No.
Tamari,
No.
or Conan.
I don't like Conan.
So who you want? Tamari or Ino? Look in the camera and just say it before you turn
trying to
all the way
think.
red. Look at all that red in your cheeks. What's up, guys? It's your boy King Micah. Zane's here. Molly's there.
Hi. Whoa, it looks
looks
if I
weird.
use my right hand, why is it backwards?
I know. It's so like how Molly's shirt has words on it. You can actually see what the shirt says rather than it being mirrored. Anyways, we are gonna take a Chakra nature quiz.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna live stream it.
Oh,
So
wait, guys, we have a little something.
so that's what we're gonna do. Recording. All right, Molly, you're up first.
Yeah.
What do you think your Chakra nature is gonna be?
Probably water or wind.
We'll see. All right. We'll help keep it free for students. Ignore that for now. All right. Who's the best among all these people in this picture? You got Naruto, Neji,
G.
Shikamaru, Kakashi. Okay. Next. Choose a season: summer, spring, autumn, or winter. I don't really care what season it is. Which one?
Summer. Spring. Yeah, spring.
Spring. Next. All right. Which villain guy is the best? Itachi, Yohiko,
Itachi.
Zetsu,
Itachi.
Zidra, or Pain? Itachi. Which
Hinata.
good guy is the best?
Hinata.
I didn't even get to read them. All right. Choose a word below that best describes you.
2.
Angry,
Number 2.
curious, faithful,
Number 2.
strong,
Number 2.
or decisive.
Number 2.
I think you're decisive.
I don't even know what that means.
That means you make decisions quickly.
Decisive.
Which person from Naruto Shippuden would you like to date? Sakura, Hinata, Ino?
None.
Oh yeah, because you're a girl. So you have to pick one though. Which one would be your best friend?
Hinata.
Okay.
Of course Hinata would be your friend.
Which one do you adore the most? Male characters. Itachi, Naruto,
Kakashi.
Shikamaru. Like, which one would you
Kakashi.
want to date? Kakashi?
No.
Well, the last one was which one would you like to date, but it was a girl. So who are you picking? Rock Lee? Is that your final answer? Rock Lee or Kakashi? Kakashi. I knew it was Kakashi the whole time. Okay. What trait describes you the best, or what people see as you? Kind of serious, handsome, chick magnet. Well, you're funny, stupid looking, naughty, ambitious, focused at my work, yet lazy most of things, introvert, or you're skilled at many things, like to read books, but do not share them. Well,
The one that says likes to read books.
well focused on my works. Unbeatable at almost anything, well focused, and I aim to achieve physically very strong. This one, I figured that's the one you were gonna pick.
Molly, I figured out something on my head.
Alright, Chakra nature. Lightning.
That's the one that I wanted.
Lightning nature. Alright, Molly.
I want either fire or
GG's.
lightning. Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.
Hey, wait, me. Yeah. Skip it.
You can't skip it.
I already have a feeling. And who it is.
Who?
Okay.
You know.
Which is the best among all these people in the picture?
Are we recording?
Yes, we're recording right now.
Shikamaru. Shikamaru is awesome.
Okay. Choose a season.
Summer.
Summer.
Summer's my favorite. That's whenever my birthday is.
Which villain guy is the best?
I really like it's in between Itachi and Deidara.
Itachi and Deidara?
I'm just kidding. Zetsu and Deidara. I mean, Zetsu and Itachi.
I really think you like Deidara.
Huh?
And
No,
I
Deidara
don't-
is cool.
I hate Deidara. He's my least favorite of the Akatsuki.
My least favorite is probably
What if he
Conan.
gets all about lightning?
or
I'm not
Sasori.
lightning. I know I'm Earth. What is,
I
get your
thought
hands
it was
off.
wind or
What are you
something.
doing? What do you got?
I've got Itachi.
Itachi?
Yeah,
Zetsu?
Itachi. I also kind of hate Zetsu, but he's cool. Ish. Not really. I don't like Zetsu at all.
Which good guy and girl is the best? You got Gaara, Hinata, Kiba.
Shikamaru.
Shikamaru
What does it expect?
Choose a word below that best describes you.
What is strong?
Angry. What?
I accidentally said what does strong mean. Is this Jeopardy or something?
No, just pick a word.
Strong.
Strong.
Mhm.
Damn.
What did I say?
Stop messing with that.
What person emerged?
Shippuden would you like to date?
Dang.
Now look in the camera and tell him who you'd like to date. Look at that's the microphone.
I know.
No, get off the microphone. You're messing with the sound.
Can I see that real quick?
No, look in the camera and tell them who you'd like
Dad,
to date.
I don't think.
Look in the camera.
I don't think that they can see the quiz. Let's make sure that they can. Okay.
They can't stop. Just say it.
But I don't
Molly,
know.
leave them alone.
I don't
Okay,
know.
well you got Sakura,
No.
Hinata,
No.
Ino,
No.
Tamari,
No.
or Conan.
I don't like Conan.
So who you want? Tamari or Ino? Look in the camera and just say it before you
I'm
turn
trying
it
to
all the way
think.
red. Look at all that red in your cheeks.
I don't know. I just like you for this.
Who are you picking?
Um.
Ino or Tamari? That's
Tamari. Sure.
Doing it. That I really did.
Molly, I could hear you saying, you know.
Did you only do that because Molly said it?
No.
Okay. Which character do you admire the most? Male character.
So, like, who I would want to be my friend?
Yeah, but who do you admire the most? Who do you like the most?
Lee. Lee is awesome.
Rock Lee?
Yeah, me and Rock Lee should be friends. Oh, it's in between him and Neji. Not Neji.
Leave that alone.
I
The
don't-
microphone's right there. It's picking up all that sound.
Oh, I didn't know.
These kids.
It's good at picking up sound.
What trait best describes
Dad,
you?
which one do you see me as?
I don't know.
The second one.
Funny looking. I don't know. Which one? This one, probably.
What's introvert mean? I do not. Oh,
But you are cool, though, so I don't know. Introvert means you don't like talking to a lot of people.
this one, the top one. I'm kind of serious. I would say I'm handsome.
A chick magnet.
I don't know what that means.
A whole bunch of girls like you.
Then no.
Future chick magnet coming up.
I'm lonely. Earth! 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 I don't want Earth! Can we take the quiz again?
That's what you picked. This is your decisions.
I picked everything
Your
wrong.
decisions. You are Earth. Molly's electric.
I want fire!
Wait, what? So
I want to set this thing on fire!
It's electric.
Ooh, Keke Genkai! Do the Keke Genkai one.
No. No, I'm about to take mine while I have you here.
Okay.
All right, I'll take mine. All right.
I didn't want to see the one.
Who is
The best.
among all these people? It's Naruto. What are we talking about? Naruto's the best.
Shikamaru is awesome.
Shikamaru is awesome. I'll give you some love later. Spring is where it's at.
You like Spring?
All right, which villain is the best?
Me and that are the same.
Dad, do you know who Yakuza?
Almighty Push.
You're being weird for the camera.
Which guy and girl is the best? Good guy / girl is the best. My boy Shikamaru.
Yeah, you have to give Shikamaru love or else I would attack you.
Alright, which one best describes me?
Decisive. You're pretty decisive, let's be for real.
What even is decisive again?
Curious.
Think smart. Thinks fast.
Which person from
I
Naruto
wanna
Shippuden
see.
would you like to date?
As he turns red.
I'm not turning red.
I know.
None of my girl Tintin is not on here, so it's either Hinata, Tamari. I'm gonna go with Hinata. Give Hinata some love.
Molly's.
All right, who do I admire the best? My boy Itachi, of course, the greatest big brother of all time. Which traits
Number
would
2.
funny, stupid looking, naughty,
and ambitious.
Funny.
I'm just
naughty
kidding.
and
No,
ambitious?
that's actually doesn't describe you at all.
I'm skilled in many things.
Yeah, number 3. Yeah. Well, do you like to read books?
I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know. It sounds good. I hate reading books.
I love reading books. Water.
Water?
Water. Fire. Air.
Water? What's a water release?
I don't know. Stop putting it.
Dragon style.
That's not a style.
Or water style. Water dragon jutsu.
Those aren't even hand signs at this
Some of them were. Anyways.
Hey, I'm doing my secret hand signs, guys.
That's it for the video. Guys, I guess I'm water. I used to be earth like Zane, but now I'm water.
Tell me if I'm worth it, baby. I've been driving out here swerving, just thinking, do I deserve it? And I'm lost and feeling worse, baby. It just hurts to know it works and keep running in circles.